G'day guys, this is Nathan here at AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on this Jayco Swan behind me. It's come in for some wind-up issues. What we're actually doing is we're going to be replacing all 4 of the riser arms. As you can see here, this one is slightly bent and all of the other 3 have faults with them. So what we're going to do is we're going to prop the roof as we've already done on these metal stands. We're going to disconnect 1 riser arm at a time, which consists of a bolt up at the roof and 2 screws down lower in the wind-up circuit itself. And then we will slide in our brand new riser arm, secure it with the screws at the bottom, bolt it off at the top, align the roof, and then make sure everything's operating correctly. If you guys have a wind-up at home or anything like that that has an issue and you need it resolved, come on down and see us at AllBrand. You can leave a comment below in the comment section, or you could even give us a call. Have a great day, guys.